Now we will learn, if given another equation, how to convert this equation to the standard form of the parabola. So we're given this equation. X squared plus 8x minus 16y minus 48 equals 0. We have to follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, isolate the x terms. So we have to isolate the x term, because if the one that is a square, if the y will be the one square, we will isolate the y terms, okay? So now let's isolate the x term. So yeah, x squared plus 8x is equal 16y plus 48. What do we have here? Next step is complete the square. Second step, complete the square. That is minus b over 2 square. It will be x squared plus 8x plus negative b, that is 8, over 2 square equals 16y plus 48 plus negative 8 over 2 square. X squared plus 8x plus, it's always going to be plus, okay? Because when you square this, it's always going to give you negative times negative positive. So you know. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 4, 16, equals 16y plus 48 plus 16. Now you can combine those two terms. So it will be 48 plus 16. 8 times 8 plus 6, 14, 1, 5, and 6. So this adding will be 64. Now the third and last step, we have to factor. How do we factor? Super easy. We put x. We make sure we look at this sign right here, and the sign, if it's positive, we put positive, and if it's negative, we put negative. So it's positive, we put plus, and then we put what is b divided by 2. That will be 8 divided by 2, 4. Then the other part, we will simplify this by 16. Y plus how much is we need to know how much is 64 divided by 16. So it will be 64 divided by 16 will give us 4. And this will be the final answer. As you see, this one right here, this one, yes, will be our final answer. And this one is ready to graph. And you just have to follow these 3 steps. isolate x term, complete the square, and factor. Thank you very much for watching my video.